I received my BTC withdrawal guys from this website. So I received $6.40. So this is legit website guys. So this is the website guys. Clickspay.com. So you can do tasks guys in this website. Just click the get new task, then you will redirect to the task guys. And this is my payout history guys. So this is my payout history received in my Binance account. So my recent payout guys, January 3. So this is the task rate. So just by clicking website you can earn $0.05. So this is my task today. So this is the tutorial how you can start. So download the Firefox mobile or desktop. So just read the instruction here guys. So you need to download the extension. This is my total earnings guys, $20 in my total earnings in this website clickspay.com. You can also earn by inviting friends. And basically guys, the main ways of earnings is this task. So after you download the extension, you will click the get a new task, then you redirect to the browser and paste the link or keyword, then search on Google guys. You will find the orange highlights, then click it guys until the timer will last. You will earn $0.05. So I have a payment proof that it is legit guys. Thank you for watching.